Alright, today I'm going to show you how to set a mousetrap with peanut butter. Alright, so right here I have a Victor mousetrap and it's pre-baited, but in order to make it more effective, I'm going to add peanut butter to it. So I have peanut butter right here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just take some peanut butter out and put it on here. As you can see, I'm wearing gloves because I don't want my human scent on the mousetrap. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a little bit of peanut butter. All right, not too much. It doesn't require too much. Or maybe I'll put it on the back side instead of the front side. It's probably better to do this with a knife, but I'm using it with a spoon. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to set a little bit of peanut butter right around here. So what I'm going to do is just going to take this and just put a little bit of peanut butter right there. All right, so once I have that set right there, peanut butter, I'm going to take the mousetrap, pull back the trap, and then put the arm into place. Be careful. Okay. Whoa. All right. That will happen. All right. So, like I said, be careful. Going to take the trap and try it again. It will be difficult. All right. So, we're going to try this. Bait it one more time. All right. And be careful. All right. So, we're going to take this, get the peanut butter off. Like I said, you may not be able to get it the first time like I do. But if you don't succeed, try again. Don't hurt yourself because it kind of hurts right now. And I'm going to get the arm back in place and pull the mousetrap back into place right here. Put it in place. If you are not an expert, whoa. All right. We're going to try this one more time. Going to put it back into place like this. All right. I think I have a faulty mousetrap, but it's okay. All right, so I'm just going to I think the mousetrap is broken. Let me try it one more time. All right, cut.